What the hell are you doing?
Making a rivet.
You making a who?
Rivet. One side done.
I assume this is for your...
Yes.
And I know you told me yesterday it's not a barn roller. What is it again?
It's a well pump.
A well pump. So like the old-fashioned dug wells where they have a bucket on the end of it. They drop the bucket down and then pull it up.
Yep.
And this is the other part. This is what you fixed the other day, right? That's the frame.
That's the wheel.
And that's the wheel. The pulley itself. Drink some coffee and we'll... So this is part of... What is that part of? What... That's...
That'll go like that. It'll go in here and then be riveted on the other side so this can turn.
Okay. All right. See, now that makes sense. You know we're visual. You know we got to see stuff to understand it.
I understand.
You understand. All right. As long as we both understand. That's yesterday's project. That just needs to really get painted. Take care of that. I painted the Hujima the shelf thing. I'm going to sand most of it off, trying to highlight some of the marks. Then we'll that'll be done too.